Today we are going to explore the Marina Bay Sands, which is famous for its world-class infinity pool, luxury shopping, art science museum and the Skypark. Skypark is an observation deck which is located at the 56th floor. It's an open-air deck from where you can witness impressive 360-degree views of Art Science Museum, Gardens by the Bay, floating Apple Store and the entire Singapore city. If you haven't watched our previous video on Gardens by the Bay, check out the link from the description. Skypark also has a rooftop restaurant from where we can have amazing dining experience with great views of the city. As it started raining heavily, all the tourists were advised to vacate the Skypark due to safety protocols. So as it is raining right now, the Skypark observation deck is currently closed, and luckily we got a re-entry which is valid for another 4 days. So any day we decide to change our mind, we can always come back, and we do not purchase another ticket, we just have to show this re-entry. That's a good thing. You can also opt for an evening slot to see the city colorfully lit up. We then took an MRT to reach the Funan Mall, which is a hub for electronics luxury shopping. We came across this DJI store where we wanted to find out drone prices. So that's the DJI Mini 2 SE, and it is for a fly mode combo it is 519, and 519 will somewhere around come to 32,000 INR. I think in India it is around 60,000, so it's a pretty good deal here. So the next version of the Mini 2 SE, this one, the Mini 3, it comes with a screen, whereas in this one you will have to look at the screen through your mobile device. So here it comes with an inbuilt screen, and also this comes with a 4K resolution, and this is a 2K resolution, and it will cost $799 for a fly mode combo, and for a single battery it is for $639, and if you want a fly mode combo plus it is $849. Pretty good deal. And here you can see a quick comparison of all the drones that they have. They have the DJI Mavic 3 series, Air 3, Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 and the Avatar 2. I'll also quickly show you the price range so that next time when you plan a trip to Singapore, you would know if it is really worth to buy from here or not. So this is the Mini 4 Pro. This is how it looks like. This is the Mavic 3 Classic. Wow, this looks so beautiful. This is the Mavic 3 Pro. This is the price range. This is the Mavic 3. Oh, this is a beautiful beast. This is the DJI Air 3. Look at this, you even get to look at the views through this VR. Whatever views that you want to see in the joystick, you can wear it with this VR and then watch it.
This is so cool.
This is amazing. See, look at here, DJI Avatar. You can have this immersive flight experience. It's so good. This is the next version, I think. See, DJI Avatar to FPV drone. Maybe someday in the future we might get an opportunity to upgrade. So for now we will just live with the Mini 2 SE.
So finally we bought the DJI drone. So from Singapore, because the price difference is huge from India. So I am sure somebody is very happy today. Look at that smile.
I can't express my happiness because right now I have the DJI Mini 2 SE with me, and so I got it for 32,000 INR. Before I was coming to Singapore, I inquired it at Hyderabad, and they told me that the fly mode combo is costing me somewhere around 61,000. And the reason for this much of happiness is not just because I got the drone, but because I got it at a 50% lesser price. So I just can't wait to unbox it and then start flying it. Another beautiful gadget added to our bucket. And
so I noticed that you already took the gimbal.
Actually, let's see. So I took this gimbal back in Hyderabad. Let's see what's the difference here. So this is the exact gimbal I took last month from Hyderabad, and it costs around 109. 6,867. That's a very good difference because I took it for somewhere around 9,000. So it is close to a 3,000 difference, and again because it exceeds the $100 mark, you can get 9% of the VAT refund at the airport. So one good thing here is that any purchase that you make, if the bill is above $100, you can get a 9% VAT refund at the airport. So this is the gimbal that I took from Hyderabad and it's pretty good. They also have the Osmo Pocket 3. So the creator combo is $899 and the Pocket 3 is $699. Even this is coming for a pretty good difference. So this DJI store is there at the level 3 and once you take the elevator to the level 3, you'll come across this coach. Just take a left from this coach, walk all the way to the straight and then towards the right side you'll find this DJI store. So this is our Mini 2 SE back to Hyderabad with a premium shoulder bag. So let's see what all things we get additionally if we take a Flymo combo. So this is how the Flymo combo looks like. You get a shoulder bag, you'll get 2 additional batteries with a charging case, 3 pairs of propellers, and propeller is nothing but the wings of your drone, and in case any of the things get spoiled, you can always use the additional propellers. But if you take a standard edition, you wouldn't be getting these 2 additional batteries and you will not be getting the charging case. You'll just get a single battery and then you will not be getting the shoulder bag. So if you go for a regular edition, it's going to be the RC, a single battery and then the drone. So I would say always go for a Flymo combo because the single battery gives you only 30 minutes of flight time, whereas this entire case, because we have 3 batteries now, this gives us around 90 minutes of flight time. So the Mini 2 SE does not come with an inbuilt screen and you need to insert a mobile device here. And if you're using an iPhone, then it comes with a default lightning cable with which you can connect your iPhone. But if you are using an Android device, then you have this Type-C to Type-C cable. So one end of this will go into the RC and the second end will go into your Android device, and this comes in the regular edition as well. So the drone contains a default of 2 GB storage and you need to purchase a memory card additionally. So we took the memory card from Singapore itself and this memory card costed us around 2000 rupees and it gave us a storage of 64 GB. So this is where you can insert the memory card slot and this is to charge your drone, and this is where you can insert the drone battery. So as this drone falls under a nano drone category, which is less than 249 grams, we did not have any issues at the customs. We were directly carrying it in the shoulder bag in our hand luggage and we did not have any problems at the customs. And also this comes with a local warranty, which means any repairs will not be applicable outside of Singapore. So in case you want to charge the drone, you can use a Type-C cable and this is where you can charge the drone, and using this power button you'll be able to check what's the drone percentage. And in case you want to fully charge all the 3 batteries, it takes somewhere around 2 hours to fully charge all 3 batteries, which gives you a 90 minutes flight time. And if you're taking a regular edition, which is a single battery, then you need to insert the battery inside of the drone and then use this slot to charge the battery. But in case you're having a Flymo combo, you can put all the 3 batteries inside this case and charge them all at once. So to fly the drone, you need to connect the RC to the drone, and for that you will need a mobile device because that's when you'll be able to see the visuals in the mobile device, and you need to install an app called DJI Fly and always ensure that you're only flying within the green zone. So very soon we are also going to post our first impressions of using this Mini 2 SE, so stay tuned to the channel. We then took an MRT to Chinatown to grab some lunch, and if you're looking for varieties of budget-friendly food options in Singapore, then you should try the Maxwell Hawker Center. Chinatown is also a shopping paradise, so do plan to check out and you wouldn't be disappointed. While we were heading to our next destination, we came across this beautiful Buddhist temple and we could not visit due to time constraints, but it's a must visit if you are around Chinatown.
Singapore, one thing is a must, don't forget to carry your umbrellas, because you never know when it might rain. We are at the Merlion Park. This is one of the famous attractions in Singapore. So the story behind the Merlion, the fish-like body, is because it was once upon a time a fishing village, and the head is a lion city called Singapura in Sanskrit. So from the Merlion Park, you have the 360-degree view of the entire city. So you can see the Apple Store, which is actually floating.
The best time to visit Merlion Park is during sunset because all the skyscrapers and the Marina Bay Sands is lit up during this time, making it more scenic. You can also go on a slow boat tour to watch all the popular attractions from the boat. Don't miss out on Art Science Museum at Marina Bay Sands, and if you want to know more about what it offers, check the video from the description. Talking about the ticket pricing for Marina Bay Sands, it costs around 2000 INR for an entry before 4 pm and 2300 for evening slot. Though Merlion Park does not need an entry ticket, you need to purchase a ticket for the boating experience, which will cost around 1500 per person.
Today was a very busy day. We got to do a lot of things, especially we bought the DJI drone. So that's one big thing that we did today. And also we went to the Merlion Park and saw the sunset and amazing night view, and also the observation deck. While it was raining, we did get a re-entry for day after tomorrow. So today we thought to keep it a little slow because tomorrow is a big day for us. So keep watching. Bye. See you in the